The 2010 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, transmission 6-speed automatic. Inside you'll find power windows, power steering, air conditioning, CD player, radio data system. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.